Hello everybody, today I will be teaching you how to fix your iPhone. Okay, your iPhone is broken, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, what is this? Is this a electric phone? No, this is not electric phone. This is Popeye. Popeye. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna call my sugar daddy. Yeah. Hello? Hello, my baby. What are you doing? What? You are cheating on me? How come you are cheating on me? I'm beautiful and you are... What? Stupid. Shut up. It's not funny at all. I give you everything. I give you my bee house. Oh my goodness. And then you are cheating on me? Your face is double. Whatever. Let's break up. That is my sugar daddy. Well, anyways, my people, I'll teach you how to. Oh, I forgot. I don't have iPhone. Sorry. Okay, bye bye.